Today's top stories. BlueWallet shuts down Bitcoin node. Is the future of BTC Lightning Network at risk? Hey there. So, apparently there's this fancy schmancy technology called the BTC Lightning Network that lets you send and receive Bitcoin quicker and cheaper than usual by moving transactions off of the main blockchain. It's made up of these things called nodes, which are like software that helps you connect to the network and send and receive BTC through Lightning from other nodes. If you want to get in on the Lightning Network action, you can download a mobile Lightning Network wallet or even run your own nodes if you're feeling particularly tech savvy. And if you're not, no worries. There are plenty of popular Lightning Network wallets out there for Apple and Android phones, like Bitcoin Lightning Wallet, BLW, BlueWallet, and Zeus. But wait, hold up. According to the latest news headline, BlueWallet is shutting down its Bitcoin node, landhub.io. What does that mean for us common folk? Will we still be able to use the Lightning Network without a hitch? We need answers. Stat. Maybe BlueWallet's got something up their sleeve. Or maybe they're just taking a nap. Who knows? Only time will tell. Rocky road ahead. Italian FTX. The rock trading takes a break due to liquidity issues. Hold on to your crypto hats, folks. The Italian FTX, also known as the rock trading, TRT, sent its users an email on February 17, 2023, announcing that it was taking a break due to difficulties in liquidity management. With around 34,000 registered users, but only a fraction of that number active, it's unclear how many traders were left out in the cold with their funds on ice. TRT's management has promised to get to the bottom of the issue by conducting internal audits. So let's hope they don't rock the boat and end up sinking their own ship. Electronic Arts founder Trip Hawkins joins NFT gaming with games for a living. New challenger enters the ring. Quote, move over. Elon Musk. Trip Hawkins, the founder of Electronic Arts, EA, is stepping into the ring of NFT gaming as the co-founder and chief strategy officer of Games for a Living, GFAL. It's like he's back in the game again, but with a new set of rules. As the mastermind behind some of the most iconic sports games, such as Madden, NFL, and FIFA, Hawkins is no stranger to the gaming world. And with his experience, it's safe to say he'll be a real player in the Web3 gaming space. But Hawkins isn't alone in this new venture. Other video game legends like Peter Molyneux and Will Wright have also recently joined the NFT gaming world, making it an exciting time for gamers and investors alike. With Hawkins on board, GFAL is poised to be a leader in the Web3 gaming industry. It's like they've found the ultimate cheat code to success, and they're ready to level up. Avalanche, the blockchain platform disrupting DeFi with lightning-fast transaction processing and a $1.8 billion ecosystem. So, have you heard of Avalanche? No, not the dangerous snowslide kind, but the blockchain platform that's taking the DeFi world by storm. Since its launch in 2018, Avalanche has been crushing it with its lightning-fast transaction processing thanks to its revolutionary consensus protocol. It's like the Usain Bolt of DeFi, quick and efficient. And let's talk numbers. People. Avalanche's DeFi ecosystem has grown from a measly $180 million to over $1.8 billion in total value. Locked. TVL. That's like going from living in a shack to a mansion in Beverly Hills. And with the recent launch of Dexalot, Avalanche's own decentralized crypto exchange, things are only getting better. But wait. There's more. Aventure DAO is a decentralized autonomous organization. DAO. That's all about supporting projects and entrepreneurs building on Avalanche. They're targeting the second generation of DeFi, scalability, interoperability, and user experience. Talk about being future forward. So, in summary, Avalanche is like the cool kid on the block, disrupting the status quo and taking DeFi to new heights. With its blazing fast transaction processing and ever-expanding ecosystem, Avalanche is giving other platforms a run for their money. And with the support of Aventure DAO, Avalanche is poised to take over the DeFi world. Watch out, folks. Ethereum Foundation teases new testnet, Holly, to solve ETH supply issues, launching September 15, 2023. Well, it looks like Ethereum is up to something spicy. Rumor has it that Ethereum developer Tim Bako and the Ethereum Foundation are cooking up a new testnet called Holly later this year. Say what? This Holly testnet is aiming to make it easier for folks to get their hands on some sweet ETH on Ethereum's primary test networks, which has been a bit of a struggle bus in the past, especially on the Goerli testnet. Let's face it, nobody likes a struggle bus. Holly could be a game changer for all the node operators, client, and application developers out there. It's like a breath of fresh air for anyone who's been stuck in the stinky old testnet world for too long. And listen to this, folks. The Ethereum core developers are planning to transition from old testnets to this new and improved Holly testnet. And drumroll please, solve the ETH supply issues. Now that's what we call a win-win situation. They're even saying that Holly is expected to be the first long-standing, merged from Genesis, public Ethereum testnet. Sounds like a pretty big deal if you ask us. Mark your calendars, everyone, because the launch of the Holly testnet is expected to be somewhere around September 15, 2023. It's going to be a wild ride. Folks, bankrupt crypto hedge fund Three Arrows Capital's seized NFTs worth millions to be sold in grand auction. Listen up, folks. It seems that Tenio, the self-proclaimed liquidator, sounds fancy, right? For the bankrupt crypto hedge fund Three Arrows Capital, 3AC, is planning to put up a grand sale of seized NFTs worth millions of dollars. According to several sources, the portfolio contains NFTs worth $22 million, or $21 million, depending on who you ask. Now, don't forget that this whole thing started last July when 3AC went bankrupt and estimated its assets to be around $1 billion, including NFTs worth $22 million. And guess what? Tenio plans to sell these babies off within the next 28 days. But wait, there's more. 3AC filed for chapter bankruptcy in New York back in July 2022. And a British Virgin Islands court ordered them to liquidate their assets. Talk about a party pooper, right? So, if you're in the market for some NFTs and have millions of dollars burning a hole in your pocket, keep an eye out for this sale. Who knows? You might even be able to snag one of those coveted NFTs worth $22 million. Or $21 million. Depending on who you ask. Happy bidding, y'all. Ethereum's account abstraction. Say goodbye to boring wallets. Move over. Externally owned accounts, EOAs. Because Ethereum is introducing a fancy new feature called account abstraction. With this new feature, smart contracts can be used as wallets instead of those plain old EOAs like MetaMask. That's right. Your wallet is now a mini computer that can execute transactions through contracts. No more juggling multiple wallets and private keys like a circus performer. But the perks of account abstraction go beyond just convenience. It's a game changer for user experience and security, with no more risk of losing those precious private keys. Plus, it allows for some serious flexibility in smart contract capabilities compared to those outdated EOAs. And let's not forget about the real-world implications, like social recovery and contract-based identity management systems. Who knows? This might even lead to new types of applications and services that require more complex smart contract capabilities. Account abstraction has the potential to revolutionize the way we transact with wallets on Web3. So keep it up, Ethereum. You fancy, huh? No need to thank me for making finance sound like a hot topic. It's just what I do. Asset-backed cryptocurrencies. Putting your money where your assets are. Literally. Are you tired of boring old cryptocurrencies that aren't backed by anything tangible? Well, fear not. Asset-backed cryptocurrencies are here to save the day. These digital currencies are backed by real-world assets like commodities, real estate, or other traditional financial instruments. In the Web3 ecosystem, asset-backed tokens are all the rage. And if you're looking to add some pizzazz to your investment portfolio, here are a couple of popular options. First up, we have C tokens. These ERC20 tokens are deposited in the compound liquidity pool and backed by a range of underlying assets such as cryptocurrencies, commodities, and other financial instruments. So, not only do you get a cryptocurrency, but you also get a little bit of everything else too. It's like a financial buffet. Next on our list is Base, a new NFT created by Coinbase in partnership with Zora. Base represents fractional ownership in a basket of top-tier cryptocurrencies and is designed to offer investors exposure to the cryptocurrency market with reduced risk. So, you can have your cake and eat it too. But, a word to the wise. Asset-backed cryptocurrencies are still a relatively new and volatile investment option. So, make sure you do your due diligence and consult with a financial advisor before taking the plunge. We don't want your assets to become liabilities. Venus Protocol opens doors for Floki tokens as collateral. No more selling the Floki family jewels. Quote, "It seems like everyone is talking about Floki tokens lately. And Venus Protocol is jumping on the bandwagon by accepting them as collateral for borrowing cryptocurrencies. No more selling the beloved Floki family jewels, because now they can be put to work to secure loans on Venus Protocol." Venus Protocol, the second largest DeFi protocol on the Binance Smart Chain, has lent over $450 million in assets and boasts a total value locked of over $700 million. By partnering with Floki, Venus Protocol is expected to provide new liquidity options to Floki token holders without requiring them to part with their precious tokens. This move is expected to benefit both parties as Floki developers continue to build and seek strategic partnerships. The partnership with Venus Protocol is expected to boost the overall value of Floki tokens, which are associated with the Shiba Inu-themed crypto project that has gained significant popularity recently, with Venus Protocol's total locked value of $1.35 billion, representing 84% of the market share of the BNB chain lending TVL. This move could be a game-changer for Floki holders. Binance Smart Chain users can now use Floki tokens as collateral for loans in USDT, USDC, BNB, and a basket of other altcoins. So, if you're a Floki holder, you can finally put your tokens to work without having to sell them. Thanks to Venus Protocol, the Floki family jewels can now be borrowed against to get that sweet cryptocurrency.